Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install AI-taxi script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll provide the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file, then copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here. After that, rename the file and remove the main from the name. Before starting the server, you have to go to QB, then search for QB vehicle keys. It's right here. Open the file, then go to config.lua. In this config.lua, you have to change the lock NPC driving cars from true to false, just like this. Now restart your server. Okay, we are in the server now. Before calling the AI taxi, you just need to mark the location where you want to go. So I'll be marking on the pillbox over here. Now to call the taxi, you just need to type /taxi. Now you got a notification our taxi will be there shortly. So as you can see in the map, the taxis blip over here. And you can see the taxi is here. Okay, you just need to enter into the taxi.
No way!
And now the taxi will take you to your location. It will going to follow all the traffic rules as you can see here. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, we are at our location now. As you can see, our money automatically got detected. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.